To enable and use extended unlock on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to go into lock screen and AOD, click on extended unlock and provide it with your current password. That way you'll be able to see three options for extended unlock. First one is on body detection. If you activate this, then your phone will try to determine if it's being carried by you. If it's true, then it will basically never lock. You'll be able to just swipe to unlock it. Then there's trusted places. When activated, you'll be able to click right here to set up a specific circle on the map where your phone will also never lock down. You'll be able to swipe to unlock it. And finally, there's trusted devices. If you have any devices that are currently connected with your phone, like headphones, then you'll be able to select them right there. If they are connected, your phone will also never lock down. You'll be able to swipe up to unlock it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.